Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to upload an ebook to Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website built using Hostinger website builder, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and to upload my ebook to this website, it's simple. Just click on these three dots or more settings. This new menu slide in, click on or select media library. Click on it. This media library window shows up. Here, click on upload files and locate your ebook on your computer. Double click it and it will start uploading to Hostinger website builder. Now you can rename it like that. You can delete this file or this ebook. You can even click on details to see the file path in order. Let's try to access it. As you see, when you click on this, when you try to visit this ebook file path, it downloads to your computer. Let's try it now. Pass and go. As you see, it was downloaded again. Now let's see how to embed this uploaded ebook to your website, or another way, how to show your ebook live on your website page. Now we need to upload our ebook to Google Drive. So open Google Drive in a new tab. Now click on New, select File Upload, double click your ebook from your computer. Now it was uploaded successfully. Let's refresh this page. This is my ebook, or let's open it like that. Click on these three dots. Make sure to open in a new link. Now click again on these three dots and you will see this embed item option. Click on it, copy this HTML code, go back to Hostinger website builder, and let's create a blank section to have space to work in. Now click on add element and select this embed code element, drag and drop it like that. Click on edit code, delete this line and paste the HTML code. Click on embed code and update your website. Let's view my website live. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Let's view my website live. And this is my ebook. Let's see if I can resize it or make it a little bit bigger. Update, view site. Now it's a little bit bigger. I think I need to attach the code. You can play with the height and the width in order. Let's make it 1000. click on embed code. I think now I will see the first page and a little bit of the second one, so this is good. And you can scroll just the ebook. And this is how to upload an ebook to Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.